Hi there, this is Kevin Benedict reporting live from Las Vegas. We're at SAP's Tech, and I'm here with Bryan Whitmarsh, a fellow Boisean.
Fellow Boisean, yes, definitely.
And
go Broncos.
Go Broncos, yeah. So what have you been seeing here around mobility? Now I understand you are a part of the InnoJam as well.
Yes.
What were they doing there on mobility?
Yeah, so there's about 13 different teams, and they get in, and it's an innovation weekend, basically, where they go in, play with the different SAP technologies, and there is a number of groups that are focused on mobility. So it was a lot of fun to have them start from scratch, basically, and figure out what type of application they wanted to utilize and how they wanted to mobilize it. So we took some people that had no understanding of SUP, which is the Sybase and Wire platform, and starting from ground zero and able to build their own mobile application that ran on Windows Mobile, BlackBerry, iPhone, iPad, as well as Android. So it was pretty exciting.
Very cool. So what kind of apps did they make?
So one of the apps is kind of like a rewards app, which I think they did a really nice job where a lot of them are developers, obviously, who are doing this. And one of the apps gives the ability for the developer to earn points. So if they're blogging, if they're doing certain things, so they kind of get a status, and they can see from the mobile application that, hey, they've earned so many points, they're getting a different status, kind of a rewards program. So it's a pretty cool application, and there's a couple others that are being leveraged as well. So.
Very good. So you're traveling a lot for Sybase.
Yeah, it's been a very busy week, or a very busy year, I guess.
Yeah, so what are people asking nowadays? What are some of the most common questions that are coming out of these visits with people?
Yeah, they're looking for the best way to mobilize existing either SAP or other back-end data. And there's kind of this conflict between what type of application should we build? Should we build a native application, which, using Xcode or using one of the native development environments? Should they just build a web application?
Right. Now, when you say web, are you talking about HTML5 or anything?
HTML5, yeah, any type of web application that is, web applications have the advantage of being very easy to consume, very easy to get to, but they're very public, right? They're out there. And then we kind of have this hybrid effect where it's utilizing the web protocol, or not protocols, but web standards for building applications, but it's actually a native application. So the web's running in a native, so it's kind of the best of both worlds. So we're getting a lot of traction with that, and they're looking to see what kind of apps they can actually build in that hybrid mode.
Very good. Well, Bryan, I'm going to let you get. I see they're serving food and drinks down the hall.
I could use some. I've been up since 5:30 a.m. Yeah, I've been up for a while.
It's busy times for mobility around here, isn't it?
It is good. Yep.
Well, thank you again for sharing with the audience.
Sure thing, Kevin.